Wind's a craftsman, whispers in the boulder's ear, shakes the cliffs, cause the land windswept, engineer. Dunes rise, sand grains dance in a swirling trance, landscapes changed on a breezy chance. Water flows, rivers cut through rocks so grand, canyons deep, valleys wide, all by liquid hand. Raindrops fall, streams combine, nature's line, shaping earth every time with a gentle rhyme. Wind, water, ice, they shape the earth, nature's tools since ancient birth. Mountains high, valleys wide, earth transformed on every side. Ice so chill, glaciers grind stones to snow, slow but sure carving paths where rivers flow. Peaks and troughs, frostbite craft in nature's draft, landforms birth from the cold mighty craft. Wind whisks grains of sand across the land, dunes shift, deserts gift by invisible hand. Erosion song, rock to sand, war so long, nature sculpts, earth reformed where forces belong. Wind, water, ice, they shape the earth, nature's tools since ancient birth. Mountains high, valleys wide, earth transformed on every side. Wind, water, ice, they shape the earth, nature's tools since ancient birth. Mountains high, valleys wide, earth transformed on every side.